Samsung introduced its new ISOCELL HP2 camera sensor, featuring a staggering 200 million pixels. According to the company, this sensor will provide the greatest high-definition experience on premium devices. Though it was not explicitly stated in the press release, this new sensor is most likely to be included in the company's future flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The ISOCELL HP2 sensor measures 1.3 inch and features 200 million 0.6 micrometers pixels. The sensor size is the same as the 108 MP sensor, which implies that the camera bump will not get too huge. Furthermore, the ISOCELL HP2 sensor enables many pixels binning choices, capturing photographs at full resolutions of 12.5 MP, 50 MP, or even 200 MP. The increase in the number of pixels also implies that employing eye will enhance the noise caused by the decrease in the light receiving area per pixel. The new DVTG technology will considerably improve image quality by suppressing overexposure in bright situations. When shooting in 50 MP mode, Samsung's dual slope gain function automates each pixel's exposure data in two phases, gathering both bright and dark data. Furthermore, Super QPD, which employs all 200 million pixels as a focusing agent, enables high-speed autofocus in poor light conditions. Samsung's new ISOCELL HP2 camera sensor is a technological marvel that promises to deliver an unparalleled high-definition experience on flagship smartphones.